program counter PC or instruction pointer IP. This is used to allow the CPU to keep track of its position in a program. It is a register that holds the address of the next instruction to be executed. This program counter or instruction pointer is a register that holds the address of the next instruction to be executed. At the end of the execution of the current instruction, the content of the program counter is updated so that it contains the address of the memory location where the next instruction to be executed is stored. Program counter is the main functional unit of the microprocessor. The program counter is incremented each time so that CPU executes instructions sequentially. For example, if the entire program is 16 byte long and is stored in a location starting from 2000 H to 200 F, 2000 H to 200 F. Here H represents hexadecimal. Okay, here this is microprocessor and this is the memory holding the program. Memory locations holding the program. Okay. So these all are the memory address starting from 2000 H to 200 F. Okay. This memory location is 2000. This memory location address is 2001. Then the program counter starts addressing 2000 H to 200 F sequentially in order to make it possible to fetch program bytes from these locations one by one. Okay. The address of the next location of the memory location is being addressed at the end of the current cycle. For example, currently the microprocessor has just completed the execution of the program byte located at 200B. Where it is here, see here, 200B. The address of this memory location is 200B. The microprocessor has just completed the execution of the program byte located at 200B, while the program counter at this instant holds the address of the next location. What is the address of the next location? This is the next location, right? The address is nothing but this one, 200C, right? Next, memory address register, MAR. The content of the program counter is placed on the memory address register before the address is transferred to the decoder of the memory device. Next one is instruction register, IR. This is a register or group of registers and only accommodates instructions. This instruction register only accommodates instructions. The user written program opcode flows from the memory into the microprocessor in sequence. Right? That is one by one. After being fetched from the memory, the opcode is placed in the instruction register as shown in the figure. See here, this is microprocessor and this is memory. Okay. So here, for example, the opcode 59 is located at the memory location 002H, right, and has been fetched and placed in the IR register of the microprocessor. See here, the instruction register 59 is placed in the instruction register. The opcode is then transferred to the instruction decoder to produce control signals. Instruction decoder produce the control signals. Next, general purpose register GPRS. These may serve as temporary storage for data or address, and then can be used in operations involving transfer between other registers. Stack pointer register SP. The content of this register form an address which defines the top of the stack in RAM. The stack is a special type of the memory in which program counter values can be stored when a subroutine part of a program is being used. I will explain this stack uh, as a separate topic in the next video. Okay. Next, I/O buffer, input output buffers. Buffers are another kind of registers which hold data or address or those come in and go out of the microprocessor. The theoretical difference between the buffer and the other registers in the microprocessor is that the data or address is first entered into the input buffer and subsequently are transferred to a specified register. Similarly, the data are sent out from any register to the outside world via output buffer. The buffers are apparently some sort of input-output ports. A port is a place where data are loaded and unloaded. Buffers are either only input, only output, or both input and output. Figure illustrates the input-output buffer within the microprocessor. So this microprocessor, this one, input buffer, internal registers, output buffers. Okay. Thank you.